County in central Massachusetts until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Oxford, or 11 miles south of Worcester, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include 50 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Milford, Grafton, Webster, Auburn, Northbridge, Oxford, Osbridge, Millbury, Dudley, Blackstone, Sutton, Douglas, Upton, Hopeedle, Mendon, and Millville. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Worcester, Massachusetts.